Soft rain falls on the road we walk. Two hearts beat together in the dark. You stand beside me under one umbrella. Your smile is warmer than the morning sun. Your little hand in mine holds me steady, and the whole world turns quiet and kind. The rain sings what we can't say. Cool air touches both our hearts. Every step we take turns into memory. Every little moment stays where it starts. Heartbeats in the rain, heartbeats in the rain. Every raindrop sings our name and says our love won't fade. Heartbeats in the rain, heartbeats in the rain. If the sky turns dark again, I'll still walk beside you. Streetlights shine on puddles like stars on the ground. Your smile in my eyes is a picture I keep. And when the night gets heavy, I reach for your hand, 'cause your heartbeat near mine brings my soul to sleep. When the rain comes back, remember this promise. I'll still be waiting right here for you. Seasons may change, but I won't let go. My love was born on that first debut. Heartbeats in the rain, heartbeats in the rain. Every raindrop sings our name and says our love won't fade. Heartbeats in the rain, heartbeats in the rain. Every beat is a promise. I'll love you to the last rainfall. Soft rain falls on the road we walk. Two hearts beat together